Hey everyone, quick install today. I have the Bartact grab handles that I ordered before I got the step sliders. I don't feel like I need them anymore, but since we have them, we're going to put them on. Welcome to the Never Ending Weekend. The grab handles are an awkward spot in the Bronco, mainly because of the airbag positioning that Ford had to put in. But I'm going to add these on so that it's a better place to hold on to when you're getting in the car and also when there's a rough ride while you're driving around. I got the orange ones to match the highlights in the Bronco, but I'll probably have them facing down just to kind of minimize the amount of orange, and they attach to these bolts here. These Bartlett grab handles seem really well made in the USA. They have nice grommets. I know you can get similar products off of Amazon now. I've seen a lot of them creep up over the past couple of months, but these are pretty reasonable priced. They're rather large. The handle itself is about 1.5 inches wide by 9 inches long and a nice paracord material. This bolt, interestingly enough, was so loose I could take it out with my finger, so it wasn't even tightened down from the factory.
A few moments later.
There they are installed. Yeah, they work fine. Their grab handles work as expected, look fine, good quality, and I wish every install was that easy. Until next time, have a great weekend.